Hello everyone, my name is Floofy Boofy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a main menu in Unity. This is my first Unity tutorial, so let me know how you're doing if you want to see more. Sorry about the terrible mic. Okay, so I'm going to start by going to the main camera and change the color. I'm not going to really put too much work into the background. Make it red or something. Okay, now we're going to right click, go to UI, and hit button. You don't need to do Text Mesh Pro, they're the same thing pretty much. I'm going to import Text Mesh Pro Essentials because basically Text Mesh Pro has higher quality. All their buttons, like with the normal ones, they're kind of blurry and it doesn't look very good. It's fine if you're doing a pretty low quality, but yeah. Just give this a second. Okay, so guys, I'm going to explain to you how to do it after. I'm just going to do it first. Now, I'm going to explain what all the code means. So you can name this button whatever you want. We are going to make this the play button. Now we can go out to the canvas. The first thing you want to do is go click on the canvas, and right here in render mode, not render mode, sorry, UI scale mode, in the canvas scaler, go from constant pixel size to scale with screen size. That means no matter what size your display is, it'll look the same. It just looks a lot better. There we go. Let's move this button to the center, just like that. And then kind of like make them more like 200, 40 or something like that. 225. Yeah, that looks good. Perfect. So now we're gonna go to text and change it to play. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna go right here, go to UI, go to text Mesh Pro, oops. Bring it to the top. Make it a little bigger. Now we're just gonna make this say tutorial game. Now you want to hit center so it looks nice. It's easy to work with. I find with the title you want to make it bold. I think it looks pretty nice, but you don't have to. Yeah. And then you go to the color. Give it a nice black. It'll work. There we go. Center it up. Get bigger, you know. Maybe 50. Like that. Duplicate the button. Just like that. You need to go quit button. Like that. You drag it down. You go to your text. You make it say quit. Okay, now we're gonna go here and create a folder called scripts. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the canvas, create empty, and call it menu. You can name that whatever you want, doesn't matter, just like the buttons. You can name anything you want. We're gonna grab the play button and the quit button and stick them in the menu, empty object. And we're gonna go add component and I'm gonna type main menu and create a new script. Now we're gonna load, move it into, hang on, never mind, it's not gonna work. So we can definitely make the menu look better, but for now this will work. Pretty simple. Please load. There we go. Move that to the scripts folder. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Please load. What is it doing? Okay. It decides to load. There we go. Okay, we can delete these because we don't need them. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make a public void, and we're going to call it play button, just like that. Now basically, if we look in the editor, inside the play button, for example, there are these on-click things. Now in here, we're going to create a function that runs whenever you click it. So that's why we have the play button function. Now we're going to make this do scene manager dot load scene, and then we're going to do level 1. Now up here you have to reference it using scene manager dot load scene. Or not load scene, sorry. Scene, oh my god. Sorry. Unity engine dot scene management. Each word needs to start with capital. Now while we're in here, we're also going to go here and make public void quit button. Now this one we're just going to do application.quit, and to make sure that it works, we are going to add a debug.log. You don't have to do this, but you can't see, it won't actually quit in the editor. So we're going to add quit debug. Now, if we go back into Unity, give it a second to update. There we go. We're going to go to our menu, make sure it has our script on it. There we go. And we're going to go to our play button first and go to on click. Now real quick, this you can do however you can change this, but basically we're going to go to on click, hit the plus, and then we're going to drag our menu, empty object right here, go to our, where it says no function, go to main menu, and then there's the public play button function. Now if it was set to private, it wouldn't show up in there. Now we're going to do the same with our quit button. So we're going to stick our quit button thing in here. Now play isn't going to work because we don't have an actual scene set up. But quit will put right there, there's the debug. And then, let me create a scene real quick. So guys. Okay, there we go. So if you look here, quit button will do that, and if you actually built the game, it would close it. If you hit play, it will. Oh crap! I forgot to. Oops. First tutorial, not the best. There we go. So in the build, if you want to put your menu as your first scene, unless you want something else to load first. Just basically. Okay, quit, play. Sends you to this scene. Not really much, but. And before the video ends, quick tip: grab a 3D cube and use it as the ground. Just remove the box collider and put a 2D one on. It's that simple. Okay. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this little tutorial. You can definitely add. Actually, no. Okay, I'll show you guys one more thing. It's super simple to add something else. Like if we right click the canvas and actually let's add a light. Directional light. We'll put a nice looking some light on the scene. Don't know if it'll do much right now, but so look, you can add things on just like this. You could add a slider. At some point I'll show you guys how to make a options menu. That's pretty fun. But yeah, it's just a little slider, just like this. Well, in another tutorial I will just show you guys how to make a volume button or slider. You can delete that, and I hope everyone enjoyed. See you guys next time. Goodbye for now.